Given the vastness of the observable universe, comprising over 100 billion galaxies and at least 500 billion planets in the Milky Way alone, one might expect that the search for extraterrestrial life would have yielded results by now. With the possibility that even a small percentage of these planets could support intelligent life, it suggests the potential existence of tens of thousands of extraterrestrial civilizations. Despite the vastness of our universe, the absence of any evidence of extraterrestrial life prompts us to question why they haven't made contact. Consider this: even the most benevolent aliens could pose a serious threat, capable of eradicating our civilization entirely. It's interesting how we project our expectations onto the universe, anticipating extraterrestrial visits, while our own explorations are limited to our immediate cosmic vicinity. Our assumption rests on the idea that extraterrestrial beings, having had ample time for technological advancements, could now be cruising through space in their sleek alien spacecraft. Surprisingly, there's no government on Earth with a designated alien greeting party in case they unexpectedly appear. Imagine a scenario where the aliens, being exceptionally courteous, send us a signal before encroaching on our planet's personal space. Revelation wouldn't be immediate. It would only become apparent after various observatories, managed by distinct organizations, independently confirm the signal. Suddenly, the news breaks on your television. NASA has officially confirmed an alien spacecraft detected in the solar system. Now, agencies and nations worldwide collaborate urgently to evaluate the potential threat level. Experts in linguistics, psychology, combat, and biology would be mobilized to initiate initial contact with the aliens. Their task: to meticulously record all interactions, studying alien gestures and auditory responses. These analyses become crucial in determining whether the extraterrestrials arrive in peace or harbor intentions of causing significant harm. Meanwhile, there may be the perspective that religious leaders should take the lead in communication. There's a hunch that aliens didn't study our languages in school, so good luck to those attempting to communicate with them. While the brightest minds focus on deciphering the aliens' intentions, you might be wondering about what the extraterrestrials look like. Some evolution experts contend that universal constants like proteins and DNA remain the same regardless of where you are in the universe. Assuming this holds true, alien evolution might resemble that of humans: binocular vision, eyes near the brain, land-based existence, a minimum of 2 legs for mobility, and 3 fingers for tool manipulation. As governments strategize, the media diligently keeps you updated. You'd receive guidance to remain indoors and await additional instructions, with the challenge of distinguishing genuine news from misinformation. Caution against succumbing to apocalyptic rumors on social media and endeavor to stay composed. Resist the urge to hastily pack up and flee. Concurrently, governments and scientific experts would be disseminating information about interactions with the aliens. From this point, various scenarios could play out. Initially, there might be no auditory or visual response, signifying possibilities ranging from an empty alien spacecraft to the aliens awaiting reinforcements for potential action. Alternatively, aliens may respond and attempt communication without involving any weaponry. I cannot speculate on their intentions. They might aim to eliminate us and claim Earth for themselves. The language barrier could hinder positive interactions, escalating tensions. Facing a challenging situation, especially given their advanced technology for interstellar travel, it's plausible that they possess highly advanced weaponry as well. The general populace would likely be in a state of heightened panic, while governments prepare their nuclear arsenal as the perceived most potent weapon. However, our assumptions could be flawed, as it's conceivable that aliens have adverse reactions to common earthly elements. For instance, if their skin reacts negatively to water, defending ourselves could potentially be straightforward. I'm not suggesting that aliens would inevitably spell doom for Earth. They might harbor no ill intentions. However, if harmful microorganisms from outer space accompanied them and infiltrated our world, humans could lack natural immunity to these extraterrestrial microbes, posing a potential threat to our species. Alternatively, if the aliens didn't arrive with friendly intentions, Our destruction might precede any opportunity to extend peace among intelligent beings. Regardless, our lack of readiness for a visit from interplanetary travelers emphasizes the need to prepare for first contact. If you find the video enjoyable, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.